Hey everybody, Chris Bober here with Team Bober at Nebraska Realty, and one of the questions that people ask me most often is how's the market doing? So wanted to give you a little bit of an update of going through June of 2021, which is where we have our most recent statistics compiled, and we're comparing this to last year and years before, and we'll see kind of the health of our market right now. So the first thing you're going to see up here is the number of closed sales. Now we're right on par with about 1,600 sales in June. That's very comparative to last year. And remember in 19 we had the flood issue that pushed it back a little bit, and then 2018 was a record year, so that was a huge year. Sales overall are good. We're still steady with that. We're starting to see some crazy statistics as we get to the next ones though. The first one's going to be the months of supply. This is known as the absorption rate, which is given the speed of the current market, this is the amount of homes that are left, the months of supply. And right now, in the month of June, given our speed and how fast stuff is selling, we have 0.8 months. That means we have less than a month's worth of inventory. So if we don't list another house within a month, all the listings are gone. That is super ludicrous speed. I've never seen, I mean, obviously 0.6 back in February, but to hold this low for this long is crazy. A balanced market is 6 months, right, where buyers and sellers are on equal ground. Obviously, the sellers have a huge advantage because stuff's going faster. Now, this speed of the market is coming down to here when you look at average and median sales prices. You look at right here, the even steady gain that we've experienced the last few years. People have been super happy with that. But look at from 2020 to 2021, in both median and average sale prices, we went up by almost 17%. If you look at the average sales price, which it takes into account new construction, which is why it's higher, and then the median sale price, which of course is lower than average because there's a lot more existing homes being sold, but that's still up 15%. So if you had a house last year and you sold it this year, look at the kind of gain. Or if you own a house, that's probably the equity you gained just by the market this year, which is crazy. Most people are getting 5, 6, 7% gains year over year, and they're very happy with it. To get double-digit gains, 17, 15%, it's huge, okay? And lastly, what this has done, goes fast, they sell high, and what we've done now is we've changed the market in terms of price points and where things sell at. So we used to have a much bigger market that was under $100,000, but as you can see, that's only less than 3% of the market. The 100, 200 is still pretty strong, 2 to 300 is strong here. You look at 3 to 400, which has climbed, and then 4 to 500,000. These right here are 300, 400,000 and above. That's a much bigger market because the prices have gone from here and they pushed into those higher markets. So this is kind of what we're seeing through June of this year. Of course, we're in July and we don't have those stats yet, but this is showing a very strong seller's market. And what does this mean for you? You really need, if you've had any inkling to consider selling your property, now would be a good time to consider that. And if you do consider something like that, we'd love to help you out. Even if the decision is to hold or to wait for a while, it's not going to be easy making your move, but you're going to have a great experience, obviously using us, but the market's going to give you a great experience. You're going to get the record prices and profit right now if you want to sell. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can go to our website, teambober.com, or call me or Jennifer anytime, and we would love to help you out.